Okay, it's 7:30 in the morning, September 10, alis tayo na maaga. Again, welcome to another episode of Poycax TV. Umalis tayo na maaga kasi nag-schedule na tayo ng appointment. Our appointment is 8 in the morning. Okay? Sanay na kasi akong dumadating talaga sa appointment minutes before the scheduled time. Okay, it's better to arrive earlier than being late. Okay. Sorry medyo snub ang dating ng ating Lolo Boy. Pero I can assure you, I am very friendly and approachable in person. Mahiyain kasi ako at kahit na nag-iisa lang ako, mahiyain ako sa camera. Kaya siguro hindi ako nag-artista. Okay. Please note that at 5 kilometers mileage, I have not encountered any issues so far. Wala akong problema. Kaya lang, schedule ng BMS, kaya pupunta tayo sa Toyota Silang. Okay. Yan. Before anything else, I made sure na dala-dala natin ang ating preventive maintenance and warranty booklet. Yan kasi naka-record yung history ng ating services. Importante yan for future reference. Ito yung mga sinasuggest ng ating service agent. Palitan daw yung engine oil, of course. Makalimutan mo na lahat, huwag lang yung pagpalit ng engine oil. Replace engine oil filter. Inspect and clean yung filter. Lubricate propeller shaft with grease. Tighten propeller shaft bolts, kasama yan. And then tighten bolts nuts sa drive shaft. Importante din yan. And check steering wheel linkage at yung ating gearbox. Yan, chine-check ng yan. Dapat talaga sa 5,000 kilometer. And then number 8, they are going to check yung tire pressures, yung horn, check the horns, lights, wipers, washers, and last but not the least, very important, clean and adjust the brakes. Okay? So, meron silang nirecommend pa na dapat isama ko raw yung cleaning of injectors at itong flashing of the engine. So, hindi pala kasama ito sa freebies. So, ito lang yung babayaran ko. Sinuggest nila, sila nakakalam. So, wala. Okay na lang. And I think it would also help prolong the life of the engine. So, okay na lang. And go na. So, I stayed at the showroom. And had some coffee, a hot cup of coffee. Tapos ng PMS, go na tayo.
Okay naman sir, wala naman tayo nakatapat
Okay yung
sa
battery,
battery natin. Brake fluid sir, naka-level na rin. Power steering fluid at saka coolant okay naman, naka-level din po siya. Air filter nyo sir at saka aircon filter na palinis na rin po natin. Ano? Sir, yung ating po langis, bago na rin po siya sir. Ano?
Okay.
Malinis na rin po siya. Under chassis sir, wala naman tayo tayo nakitang problema. All in good naman po, ano?
Okay.
So far sir,
So,
mga suspension, brake lining, tire condition, okay naman, wala naman tayo nakitang problema sa alignment. Then po okay din naman.
Okay.
Ano?
So, thank you ha.
Okay sir, maraming salamat.
Uh,
Sa next sir.